Miss Black, Jean, do you live in the same residence, or are you just here as an interested party?
I'm here as an interested party who would just like to, at some point, enter information into the record.
All right, well, we'll see where we get that far. Miss Foster, this is correct. You want him to move out?
Yes,
All right.
it is a month-to-month lease, so we do not want to renew his lease.
All right. Mr. Black, what's your position?
I would like to know, first off, why. Second off, why Miss Lolita, if she is the actual landlord, why she has not spoken with me. Why, whenever there is an issue, I have to speak with Mrs. McNary. Every issue that has ever came up has been dealt with. I thought to the approval of said person I'm supposed to speak with over this property. I'm funded by Keystone. I've even actually paid cash on top of my Keystone funding. And I would just like to know, what did I do to want to be removed?
I guess she doesn't have to answer that question.
Okay.
If she wants her property back on a month-to-month lease.
Okay, now which lease is she using as this one?
Well, the one that's here.
Yes, the one that's not
my
signature in the second lease.
Started February 1st of 2022. February 1 of 22.
I thought I was out of the shelter right after Christmas. I didn't think I was waiting until February to move. I thought I moved here in January.
Well, that's the date on the lease I'm looking at.
Yeah, well, where's the actual original lease that Keystone has?
I don't know the answer to that. Maybe Keystone has it. Well, anyway, the law says I have to adjourn this for 7 days. So to look into some of these questions, but ultimately, Mr. Black, if a landlord wants to terminate a tenancy on a month-to-month tenancy, they serve the notice to quit, and they let's say the reason is she wants to rent it to her nephew.
Okay.
Or she wants to tear it down and put up a parking lot.
Correct.
Or she thinks you play your music too loud, or she wants to move into it herself. She doesn't have to give you a reason. She just has to go through the steps.
Okay. Can I ask this question? Does that notice to quit have to be filed?
Yeah, it was filed.
Oh, it was?
Yeah.
Sure.
This dude is clearly on edge. Sir, if the landlord wants their apartment back, they're going to get their apartment back. You are not the owner. You were just a renter. This landlord is going through the proper channels, which is the court, to get you out. And that's it. You're just a renter. You don't have a say.
Yeah, let's take a look. It was filed on June 7th. She asked you on May 7th to move, and now we're in July.
Okay, so June. Wait. Say that one more time, please.
It was filed the notice to quit on you on May 7th.
But when was the notice quit filed?
June 7th.
Okay. Yeah, and
all right,
also
I'm going to continue this.
Got the letter where my funding was supposed to be canceled as well, and
Well, I don't know. Keystone was running out of money. I do know that.
No, they didn't run out of money.
August 12th?
I got no. Okay, you know what, Mr. Middleton? I got a fake letter that my funding was canceled after 4 months, but I know my Sandy, she came into the house visit, and I have 18 months funding. So,
well, you may have got 18 months funding, but there may have to be something other than this.
Did you hear what I said?
All right, now.
Okay.
We're going to continue this.
Yes,
I told you what your rights were.
Yes, sir.
We're continuing it until next week. Now, let's repeat. You had a month-to-month lease in February.
Okay.
So she gave you a notice on May 7th telling you had to move. You
And that was not
didn't.
filed.
It was filed.
So June,
So
and you
on
said
June,
June
she has
7th.
to wait for 30 days to pass. So you
June?
didn't move. And on June 7th, she filed this termination of tenancy action.
Does the notice
Then we have to
have to be
schedule it
filed?
for a hearing. Then we have the first hearing and then it gets adjourned for 7 days.
Sir. Yes,
But
sir.
if
You're going
she
to attack
gets
me on
what she
every
asked
level
for,
possible, all at
Jamal,
once.
you always interrupt me, and
Yes,
no
I
matter
do.
what kind of
Yes, I
case we're
do.
doing. I will give you a chance to speak. Let me finish. If she gets what she
Pretty much all
asked
at once.
for, you would have until August 22nd to move out, or you would be subject to being evicted. If you have some defense or other issues that you wish to raise, you can do that next Friday
Okay.
at 10:15
Can I say
in the
who
morning.
is Jamal Black? Can I say that? Who's Jamal Black? Because I don't know who that is. That's not me. So I shouldn't even be at this court proceeding because I don't know who the person that is filed to be the court is. And should I
Well,
take
it's
that
spelled
stipulation? Yes, it's who is that man? It's not me.
Jamall.
A-L. Who's that? No, no, it says
All right,
J-A-M-A.
well, that's you. So
It's
be
me?
here next
That's
Friday.
not me. My name is Jamall.
Well, we'll
So
fix.
you're gonna edit something else?
This dude thinks just because the court misspelled his name, that now that means this court case isn't for him. He is nuts. Now it sounds to me like this dude's welfare was about to run out, so the landlord, being smart, is requesting to terminate the lease right before his funding runs out, so that way she doesn't have to deal with a squatter not paying rent after his funding run out. She just sounds like she's being a proactive landlord. Very smart lady. And why does this man have his mother in the court with him? Is he a little boy?
Yeah,
I'm gonna play
All
hardball
right.
now. Yes, sir.
yes, okay, I'll
On
see you
every-
next Friday. Gene, I don't know if you have anything to add. We don't smoke in court. But come back next Friday at 10:15. Miss Foster wants him to go. And I don't know what else to say about it. But we'll
I
be
do
here
have a
next
question,
week.
sir.
Yes, certainly.
So at this point, Jamal has not been evicted. Is that
Correct.
correct? So
Correct.
he should have a key and free access to his room.
He should.
Is that the case? It is
I don't
not
know, man.
my understanding as of a couple of days ago. Actually, as of yesterday. It's not my
What can
understanding.
tell us about that, Miss Foster?
He's in his room
Foster?
right now. Yes. I
Does
don't
he have a
know
key?
about- If he does not have a key, it's because he's lost it.
All right,
I
we'll be
haven't been-
back next Friday to deal with this.
And the lots are not changed.
She's
No.
not his lawyer.
Let's